Hey there, welcome to Complete SAP CPI Course playlist. My name is Deepak. I'm a certified SAP CPI consultant, and this video marks the start of our SAP cloud integration journey. The reason for doing this playlist is when I started learning CPI, there are no full courses available on YouTube for free. Most tutorials are basic demos or theories only. By the end of this playlist, you will not only learn the functionality of CPI but also gain real time project knowledge. If you are new, this will help you build strong fundamentals. If you're already working with CPI, then this will help you master business scenarios and integration patterns. If you are appearing for interviews, then this playlist will surely help you to gain real time project knowledge to crack those technical rounds. I will start with the fundamentals, explaining each and every palette function, adapters and mappings. Then we will move on to DL development, designing iflows, scripting with Groovy, XSLT, and building end-to-end integrations. Finally, we will do real-time hands-on projects as well. Throughout the series, please don't just watch. Try each and everything. The best way to learn CPI is to do it. I will provide free resources for all my tutorials. So keep practicing and you will surely get better at it. This is one of the low code tools available out there. So you don't need to worry about the coding at all. Everyone from functional background or non-technical background can be able to master CPI when we reach the end of this playlist. That's it for today. We will learn more on the upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and stick around.